able to say, okay, fine, this land, we want to segment it. We want to create, you see, it's a logical thing. It's not physical. It's not a physical network, okay? It's a logical network. We want to break it down. We want to have virtual networks inside the switch. Before now, you know that one switch carries one network. Is it not so? Is it not so? But now we can have more than one network on one switch. We can have more than one LAN on one switch. So we can have LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3. Those other LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, are we together? They are all what virtual local area networks inside one device. Is that okay so far? Trying to break it down. Okay? So, okay. I said we have a switch like this. Inside this switch, normally your IP address, what do you do when you go to configure your switch? What interface do you configure?
VLAN 1.
Interface VLAN 1. VLAN 1 is the default VLAN of your switch. Okay? It's the default LAN of your switch. It's an interface. All these ports are on that VLAN 1. Instead of me coming to say, okay, give first Ethernet 01 IP this one, IP that, I can also simply say interface VLAN 1, and all these guys are going to run on the same network. Is that taken? Yeah. But now I want to segment. I want to say, okay, if you look carefully, this is a very good analogy. And I want these 8 ports over here to be of a different network. These kind of scenarios are security mitigations. For example, you have departments in organizations that can very happen. Someone can come in and say, okay, I want to say something to you, to the front people, and before you know, it's a virus or a malware, okay? And they are what they call the financial department inside. And they are all on the same. Now, they want to segment this network and say, okay, fine, network 1 and network 2 should be separate. Even if they are on the same switch, they should be demarcated.
spending too much time trying to design this, trying to make it automatic, you are going to be wasting time. This okay. Is this what you give to your stakeholders to work with? No, it's just like the general overview, right? So that is why what did we do? We utilized the Figma community so that it would help us work faster, right? What we had to do was type, what did we type again? Sitemap template Figma. This was our search, right? And we utilized one from the community. Now we are going to be treating wireframing now. Praise the Lord. We are making progress. Now we have come to the from the definition. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wireframes are low fidelity layouts that represent the information to be displayed on a page in more details than our spreadsheets and user flows. It gives an outline.
Conveys the overall direction and description of the user interface.
We said they are a blueprint of our products, and they help us plan our layout, interaction patterns, typography, colors, etc. Right? And there was also a point where there was a site we went to that we looked at the different types of wireframes out there, right?
Yes.
Which and the guy said, what was those?
Low.
Let someone just press my keyboard for me. Alright. Right on. All doing great jobs. Scroll up, let me see. Okay. So if you are done, continue now. Are you waiting for me to design before you design? Continue your work. Be designing. Go to your user flow. Go to your sitemap. Keep designing. Yeah. Yes. What that thing is simply talking about. When you see something like this, what do you think it means? When you see something like this, what do you think it means? Exactly. We're trying to replicate that horizontal screen. That's why you saw me do something like this on purpose. And I even cut that card so that some persons you can decide to put an arrow here, some persons may decide to put an arrow. Where you put an arrow, where it's acceptable you put an arrow. Maybe something like this is not there. Like the product is not overlapping. Right? Let's say everything is just centered. Somebody may not know that you can actually scroll. But once you put that arrow, some people even use something like animation. Anytime you scroll there, the thing will shake like this, just so that you know that you can actually scroll this. So that's what we're trying to do. So I know you can even try to hold tight. Don't let this moment fade away. Hold tight. Now tears gonna stay. Now's the moment of a lifetime, and it's here for you. Come on, baby, it's time to make a place now. Everybody got to let us through.
dream to catch tonight, it might come true. Hold tight.